Hello, I made a form using Microsoft Word. If you just scroll down here, you can see I have fields, name, first name, last name, and I just use the underline key just to make these spaces where a person could put in their information. Now what I want to do is I just save this form, and now I'm going to load it up in Adobe Acrobat. I'm in Adobe Acrobat 10 Pro, and I'm just going to go down here where say create PDF form. Just going to click on that link, and now some choices pop up, and I'm going to use an existing file that I made in Microsoft Word. I need to go and I need to find the file. Now once you find the file, make sure that the file is closed in Microsoft Word. You can't import a file that's already being used. So you just find the file, then you hit next, and now it will import that file and it will convert it into a PDF. And as you see, it already converted, and then what it did was it actually made fields in places where those lines were. So as you can see where that underline was, the first name, it actually created a field. Now these are all data entry points, and there's quite a few. And down here is yes and no. And over here, there isn't anything because I left that blank. I left that blank on purpose because what I want to do is I want to add a choice, and I'll show you how to do that. And the way you do that is I'm going to add a new field because this is a blank area. I'm going to go over here, add new field. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down a drop down box. Then you go to the location where you're going to add this field. I'm just going to put it right here. And as you can see, it's a drop down box. And I made a box. I just click on properties. And now I could go in and you can see different things, options. So I'm going to say, let's add some options. And it's going to type in please select. This way it pops in. And then let's add some more. Let's add yes. And then we're going to add no. And you see it adds these things. And I always put down the first field like please select, because if they don't pick anything, then you'll know that please select, you'll see it. The option will pop up. Now I can hit close. And now I added that drop down, and let's go back up top here. And what I want to do now is I want to preview that form. So I click on preview, and let's see how it looks. And there it is. Would you like to receive? And it will show up on the first one, and then the participant will pick yes or no. And you can have a drop down for anything you want. So now we have our field and our form, and now you can save it as a PDF. You just go right up here, and I'm going to give this a different name. I'm just going to call it, I know it's, let's give it a name, save it, and I'm going to save it in this folder, and I'm going to call it Sample Form 2014. And now that PDF is saved, and I can now distribute that PDF by email, and there's other ways of doing that to anybody, and they could just fill it out using Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is a free program.